Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Onewheel GT tire. First, ensure your board is completely powered off for safety. You will need a T25 bit for most screws, a TP45 bit for the axle bolts, a valve core removal tool, and nylon tire levers. Also, have your new tire sealant, an air compressor, and a clean area ready. Keeping all removed screws organized will make reassembly much smoother. Now, let's begin the disassembly. Start by removing the 4 screws holding the fender or fender delete with your T25 bit. Next, take off the mag handle and then both the front and rear bumpers. Be gentle when disconnecting the motor cable by twisting its lock ring counterclockwise. After that, remove the cable retainers. Finally, use your TP45 bit to loosen and remove the 4 hub bolts, allowing you to carefully separate the wheel assembly. With the wheel assembly free, it's time to change the tire. First, remove the valve cap and core to release all air. Then, use a bead breaker or 2x4 wood blocks to break both tire beads from the hub. Carefully pry the old tire off the rim using nylon tire levers, avoiding metal tools to prevent damage. Clean any old sealant or debris from the hub. Apply tire lubricant to the new tire's beads, then carefully work the new tire onto the hub, protecting the motor cable. Now for reassembly. Carefully guide the hub assembly back into the rails, securing it with the 4 hub bolts, tightening them firmly. Reconnect the motor cable, ensuring the lock ring is secure, and reattach the cable retainers. Next, reinstall the bumpers, mag handle, and the fender or fender delete. Inflate your new tire to the recommended pressure, typically between 15 and 20 psi, and check for any leaks. Finally, perform a quick function test to ensure everything is working correctly before you ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.